Chapter 8 Long Answer. Question 1. What are the key principles behind effective data forecasting, and what steps are crucial in setting up a forecasting model? Answer. Effective data forecasting relies on several key principles, including accuracy, reliability, and timeliness. The steps crucial in setting up a forecasting model typically involve data collection, gathering relevant and high-quality data, data preparation, cleaning and processing data to remove noise and handle missing values, exploratory data analysis, understanding patterns and identifying trends in the data, choosing a model, selecting an appropriate forecasting model based on the data characteristics and business objective, training the model, using historical data to train the model. Validation and testing, assessing the model's accuracy and adjusting parameters to improve predictions. Implementation, deploying the model for actual forecasting, monitoring and updating, regularly updating the model with new data and making adjustments as needed. These steps ensure that the forecasting model is robust and adaptable to changing data trends. Question to describe and compare to common forecasting techniques in data science, such as time series analysis versus machine learning models, noting their strengths and weaknesses. Answer. Time series analysis and machine learning models are two prevalent forecasting techniques. Time series analysis is great for data with clear trends and seasonal patterns, using methods like ARIMA and exponential smoothing for short-term forecasting. However, it struggles with nonlinear patterns or changing underlying processes over time. Machine learning models handle complex data well but require resources and lack interpretability. Techniques like random forests and neural networks capture patterns effectively, but their black box nature can be limiting. Optimal results often involve combining methods based on data and requirements. Question 3. How do observational studies contribute to forecasting in data science, and what are the main challenges associated with using observational data for prediction? Answer. Observational studies are crucial in data science for forecasting as they provide real-world data that reflect actual behaviors and outcomes without experimental manipulation. They are particularly valuable in fields where controlled experiments are impractical or unethical. Challenges include confounding variables. Hidden variables can influence both the predictor and the outcome, leading to biased results. Data quality. Observational data can be incomplete, imprecise, or biased. Causality. It is difficult to infer causation from correlation in observational studies, which can complicate the forecasting. Despite these challenges, observational data are invaluable for developing models that are closely aligned with real-world conditions. Question 4. Detail the critical stages of developing a predictive model, from data collection to model validation, and discuss the significance and challenges of each stage. Answer. Developing a predictive model involves several critical stages. The data science process involves several key stages, each with its own challenges. Data collection entails gathering relevant information from diverse sources while ensuring quality and relevance. Data preparation involves cleaning and preprocessing to balance completeness and accuracy. Feature selection focuses on choosing variables that impact outcomes without overfitting or underfitting. Model selection matches algorithm complexity with data structure, followed by training and validation to ensure generalizability. Deployment integrates models into real-world systems, with challenges including operational stability. Monitoring and maintenance involve continuous assessment and updating to address drift in model accuracy over time.